Welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at what might be Apple's most ambitious smartwatch yet, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Built for explorers, fitness enthusiasts, and tech lovers, this new model is rumored to bring serious hardware upgrades, smarter health tools, and powerful new connectivity features. If you've been holding off on upgrading or just want to see what Apple is cooking up, let's break it all down. The Ultra 3 isn't just about looks this time. Apple is reportedly going all in on performance. Early leaks suggest a powerful new chip, possibly called the S11, will drive major improvements in speed, battery efficiency, and real-time responsiveness. Whether you're checking apps, tracking workouts, or navigating in the wild, this chip should make the experience feel smoother and more reliable. Along with the new hardware, the next version of watches, potentially version 11 or 12, will likely unlock smarter features, particularly when it comes to AI. Expect faster Siri responses and more intelligent, context-aware suggestions. This will help users stay informed, active, and safe whether on the trail or in everyday life. Health features are getting a serious upgrade too. One of the most anticipated additions is blood pressure detection. While it won't be as accurate as medical-grade devices, Apple may use machine learning to detect abnormal trends and alert users before problems arise. Combined with existing features like sleep apnea detection and atrial fibrillation monitoring, this positions the Ultra 3 as more than just a smartwatch. It's becoming a personal health companion. Heart rate variability and sleep tracking are also expected to be more detailed, providing deeper insights for athletes and wellness-focused users alike. And while non-invasive blood glucose monitoring is still in development, blood pressure tracking would already be a game-changer for many. Connectivity is another area where Apple is likely to push the boundaries. A form of basic 5 grams may arrive on the Ultra 3, making syncing, streaming, and calls faster and more reliable even without your iPhone nearby. But the standout rumor? Satellite messaging. This feature could allow users to send messages from remote areas with no cellular coverage. Think of it as emergency texting for hikers, climbers, or anyone venturing far off-grid. It's expected to start with SOS and emergency use, with potential for expanded capabilities in the future. The screen may also see some attention. Rumors suggest a bump in size to about 2.12 inches larger than the Ultra 2's display. The OLED technology is sticking around, possibly with Apple's latest LTPO3 display tech for improved outdoor brightness, battery efficiency, and viewing angles. If you're using the watch for mapping or workouts under direct sunlight, this will make a big difference. Design-wise, the Ultra 3 is expected to retain the tough titanium shell, built for extreme use. However, we might see a smaller size option this time, which would appeal to those who prefer a slimmer, lighter feel for all-day wear or sleep tracking. Battery life could stretch even further thanks to a more efficient processor and display. The Ultra 2 already offers up to 36 hours of use, or 72 in low-power mode. This new version might push beyond that. There's also talk of faster wireless charging thanks to an upgraded charging coil on the back, ideal for users on the go. Perhaps the most unexpected rumor is the addition of a tiny built-in camera, possibly near the digital crown. It wouldn't be for selfies or video calls instead. It could be used for tasks like scanning QR codes, identifying landmarks, or analyzing your environment through AI-powered features. It hints at a future where smartwatches aren't just trackers, but interactive tools that can see the world around them. Apple is expected to officially unveil the Watch Ultra 3 during its usual September event. Pre-orders would likely begin right away, with shipping soon after. The price is expected to remain around $799, keeping it in the premium tier of Apple's lineup. Here's a quick overview of what to expect. New chip for faster performance and better battery life, improved health tracking, including blood pressure detection, smarter on-device AI, and a more responsive Siri, satellite messaging for emergency communication, larger and brighter OLED display, possible smaller size option for a more comfortable fit, better wireless charging, rumored tiny camera for AI scanning and real-world interaction. If you're using an older Apple Watch and want the best Apple has to offer in durability and innovation, the Ultra 3 may be worth the leap. But if you're already using the Ultra 2 and don't need the new features, you might hold off unless blood pressure tracking or satellite messaging feels essential. Thanks for joining us at NZ Tech Channel. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Stay informed, stay connected, and stay ready for what's next.